Hello everyone, my name is Burhan and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I am going to create a series of videos starting from a very beginner's level towards advanced level to show you how you can utilize Microsoft VBA scripts to automate your work on Microsoft Excel. If you haven't done so far, I request you to please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press like button and also add a comment in the comment box if you want me to cover any specific topic within Microsoft Excel and VBA. So in this video I am going to show you how you can add a developer tab within Microsoft Excel ribbon menu. So here you see this is a ribbon menu and you have a lot of different options, but you don't see a developer tab here. To do so, you have to simply go to the Excel and preferences. So here you see a different options. Here please go to ribbon and toolbar, and within that you will see customize the ribbon. Within the main tabs you have to scroll down a little bit and you will see here developer tab. Just press this ticket and then save and close. Now you see here a developer tab. So if you press the developer tab, you will see a lot of different options starting from Visual Basic. If you want to open a Visual Basic editor, you have to press this. If you want to see a specific macro which you have written in VBA, you have to press this button. You can also here a record menu. You have also had options here to add different Excel add-ins. In your Excel workbook, you have a different options here to add control boxes, for example button, group box, combo box, label, and a lot of different other options. I will cover each and every options in my coming sessions. So let's quickly see how you can actually now remove the developer tab. If you want to, you have to follow the same steps. Press Excel, go to the preferences, ribbon and toolbar, and then uncheck the developer option. Press save, close, and now the developer tab is gone. So that was a brief overview how you can add and remove developer tab from Microsoft Excel in MacBook. I hope you liked it and see you in my next videos. Thank you. Bye bye.